Folks, welcome back to the Ranch Network, and today we have an amazing product review, the SJCAM C100 series action camera. Look at it, it's sunny, we're next to the water, it's beautiful here in Texas, it's like 85 degrees, a nice breeze. No better time for a ride with the SJCAM.
Not only is this great for vlogging, but you can use it for so many other things, whether you're going diving, you need a dash cam, you want to put it on your person because you want to do something like bike riding or extreme sport. This thing is it. It's the size of your thumb. You can hang it around your neck. You can take it with you wherever you go, and it's super easy to set up. So this camera is great for podcasts, guys. Do know that this one is teeny tiny. It has a microphone on the top. It's the size of your thumb. You can put all your stuff on it really quickly, easy, and start podcasting. This awesome, amazing camera also shoots in 4K.